So this is more something I noticed, well, a while ago now, but I guess in my wisdom, I always keep putting off making videos. As you can see, this is the Kizuna Social Blade page. Here it is. And you can see if we scroll down here, it's got a huge dip here. So 500 million views essentially disappeared here. Most of them have come back here, though not quite. I'm not sure if that adds up. Yeah, about the same. So they have been added back, but it's interesting to see this giant dip here, which, if you don't know what that is, a bunch of videos at some point got delisted. Ooh, that's a big dip. This probably is cancelling out. Actually, that is the April. Gain views, I guess that is just adding these back on. So basically, if you don't know, on Kizuna at some point, go to the YouTube channel. That's not the correct one. Let's copy that link and we can go to YouTube. Hooked up the wrong thing. Here we go. And basically, a while ago, I was looking up the Monica cover. I don't know why I was looking it up, but I was, and I noticed that that video wasn't there. So that's the Swedish song that PewDiePie did, and then she covered a version of that cover. And I think because they were focusing on Kizuna shows for whatever reason, they did basically the entire older catalog. And I remember seeing, looking at that video and couldn't find it because on the Kizuna channel it just wasn't there at all. But at some point they decided to add all those back on, and it does look like there's more like actual older style content, whereas like I guess it's VTuber type stuff as opposed to just the music stuff that was available before. And when I was looking for that, I noticed that video wasn't available, and because most of the older videos weren't available, I ended up finding some like VTuber like wiki where it had like archived links of all the channels, and all the videos were just listed. They weren't removed. Everything was just listed, so you could still go in there and use the links to navigate and find the older videos. Which I was planning to make the video back when the videos were still unavailable, and that was what I was going to show off. But then but now that everything's back up again, not really a point, and I can just show off the channel is here. But a bit of a weird big dip that happened back in July 2024 or June 2024. Right, that's a weird social blade thing. It says June here, but I'm clicking on the, well, here it says July. May, April, March, so I guess they're not really quite aligned with the tags at the bottom of the actual thing on the graph. Anyway, we'll leave this video here. If you like the video, comment down below your thoughts, ideas, views, and subscribe so you don't miss any videos like this in the future. Oh, PewDiePie is the #1 in Japan. Yes, he did move to Japan. I guess that's the top channels in Japan as well.